video I'm sharing my most favorite makeup. It's very easy, very quick, and I like it because it looks natural and it highlights all the benefits on my face in a natural way. Also, in this video I'm sharing all the tips for makeup that I currently have and use. So, I hope that you will enjoy this video, and let's start right now. So, now my face is without any makeup, and we are going to start. I am recording this video using a daylight, and I'm not using any artificial lighting, so we'll see if the camera is able to show you the picture as it is. And I will start from the tone, but what you need to do before any makeup is to moisture your skin with a cream, with a serum, and then with a cream, because your tone will not lay good on your face without any moisture. What I'm doing now is taking a sponge and making it wet. This is also a tip to have an even and very well distributed tone. And I'm using this product. It's quite light and it suits my color of face ideally. I'm applying it with my finger because if you apply it on the sponge directly, then this sponge will take like 70% of the product, and that's why I don't like to do this. I am applying it with my finger, and then I'm using a sponge. As I have bangs, I am not applying any of my tone on the forehead. And now I'm distributing a tone all over my face using a sponge. Look how perfectly it repeats my skin. So a very ultimate secret to a good makeup is to find your perfect tone, perfect color for your tone. Maybe that's obvious, but this is really a must. Ready? And what I forgot is to apply a lipstick, just a hygiene one, so that while I'm doing all the makeup, eyes, tongue, my lips are totally ready for the lip makeup, which I'm doing at the very end. And next step is our eyebrows. What I usually do with my eyebrows is just brushing them, but sometimes I feel like highlighting them a little bit, making them brighter. Some empty spaces need to be dyed. So today I will do this, but usually I'm just leaving them as they are because I finally grew them. So I'm satisfied with what I have now. Ready? Now I'm using a skin corrector. To get rid of some imperfections. And sometimes I feel like removing this dark parts under the eyes, but not too much, because I feel like too much product leaves this uneven finish, and I don't like character to be seen, to be noticed under my eyes. And I like to spread the corrector on my imperfections using a finger. Now it's done. Next step is brushes, blushes. And I am using them on my some hair was dyed. That's not what I expected. Okay. Also, I like to use some of it on the top of my nose. Ready? And we are moving to the eyes. Today I feel like using some of the shades. We need a small brush for this. I like to use shiny light shades for the inner part of eye. This way. And I like to continue the shiny seam, and I used this one, and now I'm using a darker for the outer part. Just a little bit of it, because the main accent in my makeup will be strokes. Eyeliner. What strokes? And I am removing any of the product and using an empty brush. To distribute it evenly. Now I'm taking these light shades and I'm highlighting the main part, central part of eye. Ready? And we are moving to the arrows eyeliner. I'm gonna start with the left one, but I usually do it with the right, so that you see, because the camera is located in this position. I'm pressing all the lashes like this, so that they do not interfere with the process. And then I'm gonna draw a line from the center of my eye to the end, but not moving to the end completely. Another step is making this short line. This is the end of your eyeline, and I did it like a continuation of my of my down lashes line. And you should do this in the direction of your eyebrow finish, but this is not where my eyebrow ends. It ends earlier. I'm just doing it to make a continuation of my eye line from the down part. So that's the way I do it, and that's the way my eye will look open, foxy, just the way I like it. So the third step is to connect them like this, and you should make a very thin line because you do not want any mistakes. It's just a proper direction, and now you can finish this more confidently because you already have a kind of a template for this. And this is not the end. You should press your eyelashes again to remove them from this inner part of eye and make a very thin line because your line should be thinner in this part. And it should be thicker in the outer part. It's ready, but it's not. You should make sure that your eyeline is connected with the eye, because now it looks like it exists just separately. When I close my eyes, I think you can see this. So you should apply the eyeliner, apply the product all over in the area between the lashes from the inner part. And then it will be ready. If you see some empty holes, empty spaces of skin from the outer part, you can apply it from there too. And now it's ready. This is what I wanted to get. Do the same for another eye. Ready? And it's time for the lash dye. How I like to use it is not just spreading it all over my eyelashes. I actually don't like to use it at all, and usually I'm not using it. I like my makeup as it is, with eyelines and with my natural eyelashes. And but today I decided to show you a light version of using this. and of course it makes eyes to look more bright. I like to use it this way. I'm spreading this in the outer part of my eyes, most of it, making such moves so that here is the main accent, and I have this cat foxy eyes. And I'm spreading just a little bit of product on all the rest. So the majority of product goes to the outer part. Now it's ready. Now I have quite a dark shade of lipstick, so that's why I'm using just a little bit of it to have this clean girl makeup. It should not be too much. Just a hint of lipstick on my lips. It should be light pink, which suits my image perfectly. So I'm done with my makeup. I hope you like it. I wish that you use some tips that I shared with you. If you have some notes, write them in the comments. And good luck to you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.